Take a trip out to the islands and just lay up. A private flight up for the night gon' take us way up. Just the two of us, no one else invited. Baby, jump right.
Hey everyone, I'm Jaylyn and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I like to smooth down my hair into a sleek, low, curly ponytail. So how I like to do so is first I'll be dampening my hair with this spray bottle filled with only water, just because trying to smooth down damp hair is way easier than trying to smooth down dry hair. So this really helps. And also to help me in this process, I'll be using the olive oil eco styler gel just to make sure that all the hair around the perimeter of my hair is really laid and as flat as I like it. Alright, now I'll be using this hard bristle brush to really sleek down all the kinks, lumps, and curls that I might have on the surface of my hair. And this brush actually makes a difference. So if you don't have one, you need a hard bristle brush to really achieve that sleek look that you desire. So finally, I'm accumulating all my hair into the low ponytail and brushing out any little lumps or grooves that I might see that can use a little bit more brushing. So now that I'm putting my hair into the ponytail, I'm just firmly wrapping the scrunchie around my hair, not trying to cause any tension, just making sure that the ponytail is as firm and flat as I can get it. Now this next step is completely optional, but I'm just adding an additional scrunchie just to make sure my ponytail is extra secure. The struggle is real when you try to get your hair through that last little loop. Oh my gosh, I had extreme arm cramps. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking that little section on the top of the ponytail that's a little bit more frizzy than I like and just using it to cover the band but also take away some of the frizz from the ponytail, because I like my ponytails to be primarily curls, and I'm just going to be taking the hairpin to secure it and just fluffing out the ponytail. So now for the finishing touches, I'll just be using my handy dandy toothbrush just to create those little baby hairs around my hairline. And even if you don't like to do baby hairs, you can always just use the toothbrush to lay down those stubborn little hairs that want to stick up on you. So yeah, toothbrushes will keep all those little hairs in line. Alrighty, you all, I hope you all enjoyed my video on how I like to get my sleek, low, curly ponytails. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!